because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you?
Hey y'all, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the family channel and the crew. Yes, I did dye my hair. I'm not done though. So next time you guys see me, it will be complete. But I'm not finished yet. We just got back in from Froogles again, but I had to go run some other errands, take care of some other stuff. Had to go to the hair store, a few other things. But just got back in. Mama made some chicken flavored rice. I did wash my hands. She fried some chicken, and she's still frying chicken. We do have a deep fryer, but she said she was having a hard time getting it to cut on. But Jordan had fixed it for her. And then Jordan started doing the laundry. And Mama just, did this little part while we was going. So I'm finna show you guys what we have. If you did not see my other Froogles haul, that's on my other channel. I will leave the link to it in the description box below. I got some great deals when I went. Was that the other day, Mama? The other day. Because I had to go get a new cable box for our TV. And I got a great deal. When I tell you guys some deals I racked up on. So I had to go today and get some bread. My mama wanted some Froogles drinks. So we got them. I'll tell you how much I paid for them and how much I paid for this juice. So we're going to go ahead and jump into that, okay? All right. And again, like I said, if y'all did not see that video, please go check it out. Because I'm telling y'all, y'all be asking all the time when I be getting certain juices and stuff. And when I say I catch them on sale, how I do not drive all around the world for stuff. But I try to get things a certain time of month. And I will explain that. I will do a full detailed video explaining to you guys at the end of the month how I do and how I make my list for the month and how I break it down every week or every 2 weeks. Please don't pay any mind to that P-pad because we are training Lil Milo right there. So Mama had wanted her some Froogles drinks. Y'all know they sell these at a lot of different southern stores and stuff. Claiborne Hill sell these, but Froogles sell them cheaper. And Mama had wanted some. And so we got her 8. She got 2 of the cream sodas, and these were 45 cents a bottle. And you cannot beat that for these bottles because y'all know they can run close to almost $1 in regular stores or gas stations, at least like 90 cents. So yeah, so she got 2 of the cream sodas. She got 2 peach, 1 of the kiwi strawberry, 2 root beers, and 1 of the pineapple orange because we wasn't sure how many of each she liked. I know she liked the cream soda, I know she liked the peach, and I know she liked the root beer. So when she needs some more, she just has to get her about 8. So when she asks for some more, I'll go back and I'll see what flavors she wants. She don't like the orange and she don't like the grape. So that's what Mama got. And then Jordan picked up some Ready Whip and 1 of these Smuckers Sundae syrup, the caramel or the caramel. And because he will be doing a meal, and that will be on our 3rd channel, which he mainly cooking stuff over there. It's a cooking channel, but he mainly does a lot of the cooking over there. And then I got 4 of, and these are like the jungle juices, but they just name them Jungle Punch. And y'all remember I had told you guys about these, and I said if Philip liked them, I'll go back and get some more. And he likes them. He actually loves them. He has half of the fruit punch left and half of the grape because I put a little bit in his cup for school. I do like half juice, half water because I don't give him all juice. So like he'll mix it with one of his flavored waters, either the grape or the strawberry or however. It'll be cold, put it in the refrigerator. He'll mix half and half with some ice and he brings it to school. So one of these will still last him a while. So I got him 4. And then I got him 4 of the fruit punches. And today, like today was 40 cents today. So that's not bad. It was the regular price for the Ready Whip, like $2 and change. And this was $2 and change. And that was at our local Froogles. Roundtable picked her up a thing of Tricks. And a Tricks cereal was 3 for $5. And that's all, like all of their general meals. And this is the 10.7 ounce box. So they was 3 for $5. So she just went on and got her 1 because they had the Reese Puffs and something else, and we have Reese Puffs here. And then she got her some Powerade, 4, is that 4? 3, 5. She got her 5 of the Mountain Berry, 1 of the Strawberry Lemonade, and then she got her 3 melons. And she had went out this morning for a walk, you guys, and she left around like 7:30, almost 8 o'clock, but our humidity been like 110, and she ended up getting overheated. She had to call us, and she was saying that her hands had started tingling, her fingers was tingling, they started itching, and they had turned like fire red. So she went on and came right home. She said she was drinking her something on the way home, but I told her she was coming down with a heat stroke. So y'all, please be careful out there. And she said she had something to drink before she left, and normally she'll bring her some water. And I also told her, even if she go walking early in the morning, to get her like a wet a towel, and I told her she can freeze it overnight and then just get it and put it over her neck while she's out walking. And she goes early in the morning, it just get humid. It's so humid here. And our heat is like that dry heat here in South Mississippi. So yeah, so it's humid and dry heat, so you can't really breathe. So yeah, so that was what she faced. So she took her a hot, a cool shower, and she's feeling better. So she went and got her some more Powerades, and then she's been drinking a lot of water. So yeah, and like I said, I just want to throw that in there to tell y'all to be careful too. And I got 2 things of bread. Y'all remember I was telling y'all at Walmart, and a few of you guys been telling me y'all have noticed that Walmart bread been kind of hard on the bottom. And I normally would go to Froogles and get their bread because their bread is always really fresh and soft. So I just got 2 of those, and they were at 69 cents. I got 1 thing of Giant, the bunny bread, the Giant, and it was $1.70. And then Jordan got one of the Bunny Texas Toast for me, like I said, for a thing that he will be doing on his channel. And y'all know they already done changed the name on the Angel Mama to whatever name was on them other bottles. I didn't pick them up, but I just got this one because I like the Country Rich syrup. And I had picked up one of these just to have on hand. And then I got a Pepperidge Farm, the swirl brown sugar and cinnamon, the thick slice, because I like to put these, and of course y'all know they made with no high fructose corn syrup. I like to toast these and put peanut butter on them. Yeah, that's how I like mine. And Philip like these also with peanut butter, so sometime for a snack he'll have that. And then I got 2 of the Pillsbury pie crust 2-pack, so I got 4 of them, because those sweet potatoes that I had made, or the candied yams that I had made Sunday, I will be turning that into a pie because I am not wasting anything. We don't waste around here. And then I got Philip 2 things of these Hubble Bubbles, and I'm gonna put them up in my room because it'd be hard to find these right here. The strawberry watermelon mix. Sometimes the stores have them, sometimes they don't. And then at the hair store, I told you guys I already did my hair. And when I like to do my hair the color that I'm going for, I mix the platinum blonde and I do the booster, which is what I have in my hair now. And then I'll get the light caramel brown and I'll mix it. And y'all will see the color that is going to come out. And y'all usually ask how I do. That's how I do it. I don't mix them at the same time. Even though I use Cream of Nature, I'll do one and then I'll wait a couple of days and I'll do the other. And my hair is natural, so it's not going to do anything. But I always, before I dye or highlight my hair, I always put a Vaseline like around my edges and throughout my entire hair. I pack it with Vaseline because it will not damage. It does not do any damage to my hair. So like I said, I will show y'all that. And then also from the hair store, I got the Lotta Body. This is their Twist Me Curl Styling Pudding. I got this for my hair. It was $4.99. And like I said, I showed y'all this by Cream of Nature, the light caramel brown. It was at $7.99. Jordan picked him up a thing of the Do Grow Anti-Itch Hair Oil. And he likes to use that. I used to use that on Philip hair, but it stopped working after a while. So I got him the Just For Me Soothing Scalp Balm. And this seems to work really good on his hair and his scalp. I love to get the hair milk one. And then I just went on and got the African Pride Instant Moisturizing Detangler, because that works real good. Because y'all know he got really curly and fine hair. And then also I got the Cream of Nature Pure Honey. Y'all know, if y'all done seen a few of my videos before, y'all know I like to get their products with the pure honey. And this is the Moisture and Twist Curling Mousse. I love to use this, girl. And also the Lotta Body, I just want to stay with the rest of their brand. This is the Honey Milk, or the Milk Honey Restore Me Cream Conditioner. And I like to use the cream conditioner and the cream shampoo. This was at $5.49. And this one here is the cream shampoo. It's the same one by Lotta Body with Milk Honey Restore Me Cream Shampoo. And it removes all of your buildup it does soften your hair, you guys. And like I said, it has for all natural hair types, no sulfate. And it is a cream shampoo, so it's thick and it does not damage your hair, and it will not strip any of your color or anything. And then this one here is the Hold Me Maximum Hold Styling Gel. I cannot use like the other styling gels that the ladies put in their hair, all those different brands. It just does not work for me. I've tried many of them with different you know, stuff in it, the new ones that come out, and it just does not work. I have used this before, and this worked good in my hair, and it's fairly new, but it worked good, so I'm sticking with what works for me. And it's alcohol free. And I want to say that's it, you guys. Yeah, that's it. That's all we got today. Oh, I think Rihanna got something else. I don't remember. What did you get, Riri? Oh, she got her some hair products. Let me show y'all the hair products she got. What's your hair products?
Oh, my dresser.
She's finna start her classes, y'all. So I'm gonna be in and out. I told y'all she done started back in class. Where is that? Which one you got today?
The Talia.
Oh, she got the Talia. Was you that? And this one here is the natural hair moisturizing, detangling, and styling cream.
Go.
And then she got the cream curly co-wash by Talia Wajid. And I had used their products before, and it works really good. I just had kind of stopped because they are a little bit on the more pricier side. It's not that bad, but by the time is you spending like $11-12 and you have to buy the whole brand, you spending close to $200. So this one I'm wearing today, just in case you guys wondering. Y'all can't see it that well, but I just have my, these are like the little gaucho flowy pants. Can I turn your light on real quick, or is it gonna bother me? Well, can you turn the thing, please, so they can see? Cause I know y'all be asking often what I be wearing.
Oh, you gotta turn it on.
You can't reach it. No shorts. Oh, that's a right one. No, it ain't. Okay.
Mess with my fan.
And so yeah, hopefully y'all can see. But these, like I said, the little dressy, flowy, gaucho style pants. And I just have it paired with just the white tank because it is hot outside. And I just put this little jean top on top. And my brown shoes that I had shared in a haul. I don't know. Y'all get that. Y'all will get that video before y'all get this one. I need to redo my toes. And then my hair scarf. Y'all already seen this one. I got it from Dollar General for $4. And then these are the glasses that I did that review on. And I just did a real simple look on my face. Only powder. And these pants, they have like elastic around the waist. And they are in a extra large. So they real nice and flowy, y'all. And this is the deal. And the only thing I did not like about these pants, they don't have pockets. That's it. That's the only thing that I did not like. They did not have pockets, but it's okay. So yeah, and like I said, this hair tie, I got from Dollar General, $4. I got this one and a black one. I'm looking for me some more in just different colors. What is that? No, thank you. Yeah, I'm looking for some more of these in all different colors. You can just put it in the living room, in the kitchen. Somebody eat it.
It might be bad.
Well, look at the date. Yeah. So we about to get this stuff put up.
You told them I want the recipe for that?
Yeah. I didn't tell them what recipe. I just told them you got a recipe. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff put up so I can do my hair. I will share on my channel how I'm going to do my hair and all of that. So if y'all interested, please stay tuned to that video. They're going to finish laundry. And Jordan was actually about to wash our bed sheets and stuff. So yeah, so that's it, y'all. So I thank y'all for watching. Like I said, if y'all they go on lunch from 12 to 2. So I'll go tomorrow. But excuse me, y'all. And so yeah, but like I said, if y'all interested in that video, please stay tuned. And like I said, if y'all have like a Food Giant or any Food Depots and stuff like that in y'all area, go and check for their juices, because their prices on their juices be on sale a good bit. And I know a lot of parents don't really want their kids to drink juices with sugar and stuff, but even just go there and do like their water, or even if you cut some of the juice with water for them, because a lot of their juices do not be having a lot of sugar depending on what kind you get. And you can control how much water and stuff you add, even if they're in school. Or you can just freeze these, because a lot of times I had mentioned in a video, that's what I'll do with Philip. I'll get his little thermos cup and freeze it, And that morning, I'll take it out and put it in his little lunch bag. So when he go to school, it's still like an icy material, and because it's hot out, so like that little icy or slushy material, or consistency, and I'll just give him a spoon. So yeah, it's always just trying different things. So I will have that coming soon. I have a few little snacks that I'm gonna share that I do with him also, and give him for snack after school, and also snacks for him to bring to school. So I won't have to be buying like things like this. And I seen my sister had did one, and I will leave her link in the description box below. But yeah, she had one of my white sisters and stuff on here. She had did one, and I told her I had remember seeing that, and I had did that a while back. I want to say Alicia was probably still in middle school, and I had made like some peanut butter balls, and I think I had got that recipe. That's back when Paula Deen was on and real popular. And I had did some peanut butter balls different ways and stuff like that. Just kind of mixing things up that your kids like. So you don't have to be paying all this money in store for snacks. And you can freeze them, put them in containers, or make certain things in Ziploc bags. You know, like Shay said, sometimes it's all about, you know, saving money and using what you have. You go to the store, you bulk up. But when it comes down to snacks, you get what you can, and the rest you make at home. Because y'all know we falling on a whole lot of hard times. Everybody going through the same thing. Even people who wealthy are trying to save. Even people who wealthy are trying to save money nowadays. You know what I mean? And do what they gotta do. Because this is hard. You know, it's tough right now. Yeah. But thank you guys. I will see y'all later. Make sure y'all hit the like button, and make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's what so I'm gonna go ahead on it so I can get started on my pies and get the rest of this stuff put in the oven, so I can have me a sweet potato pie for the day or the night. So I'll see y'all later. Y'all be blessed. Bye.
Commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you?